You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at the Bitcoin price and ETH price. I am going to show you what I'm looking out for in the next coming days on this price chart and what you should be expecting if the market break right down from this level where the market is sitting at the support level, and also on ETH, a very important price chart that I'm also going to show you. Watch the video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification so that you get updated when I upload a new video. So right on this very price chart, two things very important. Like I said in my previous video, we are seeing a descending triangle right there, and a descending triangle in a downtrend is a bearish continuation pattern. That means markets could potentially break this level and go right down on this very area right here. So if market break on this very level, we could see the market potentially go right down to this area. So in my previous video, we talked about the market resisting at this very trend line, and if the market break this trend line to the upside, then we are going to see a move to the upside, maybe to this very price target of $46,000. But we see the market go down right there on this very move. So that means the market did not break the trend line right there, which is a resistance line. So right now we see the market sitting at $41,700,000, and you see this very area right there is a very strong support. You see support here, we have support here, we have support here, and right now we see a spike out of this level on this very support area, and we have resistance level here, we have resistance here, and then now the market spike out into this resistance again, and right now the market is here. And if you look at this very chart, the market moves slightly down and have not created a new low lower than the previous low around this area. So that also implies that the bears are not very strong. If you look at the way the market was going down, it was not going down with a lot of momentum. So the market was going down slightly in this very area. You see the market moving sluggishly right there, and then what you should be expecting right now and what I am looking out for is a breakout on these two key levels. That means I am expecting the market to break out on this trend line, which is a resistance line, and also a breakout should also happen on this horizontal support line. Now that means that if the market break out on the resistance line, we are going to see the market move to the upside. So if the market break down on this support line right here, we're going to see the market go right down, and I give a technical target on this very breakdown on support level, and I said if the market break on this support line, then that means markets potentially going to go right down. Technically, if we bring this down to this area at this point, then we're going to see the market go right down up to this area of $38,000 and $37,000. I am looking at Bitcoin breaking on this resistance line, which is this trend line at this point. So a breakout on this trend line will make the market to move up. We could see the market break down a little bit to the downside before a continuation to the upside. So the most important thing right now that we are seeing in the Bitcoin price is that we are seeing the market in a descending triangular pattern, and note that market could also be in this pattern formation to this very point before a breakout on the either side right here. If you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance here, you see the market move from here, touch this very resistance, come back right down to this support level, and right now the market is moving right way up to this very level. Now if the market break this very strong resistance level, we are going to see a move on the Bitcoin price to the upside. If we see the market go right down and break this support level, that also means we're going to see the biggest altcoin season in the history of cryptocurrency. It's very important you take a look at this very descending triangular pattern right now. The volume indicator is also right down, and that means there is no increase in volume. So we want to see an increase in volume if the market break on this very strong resistance, which is a trend line right here. So that is what I am looking for right now. I am waiting on BTC to either break on this resistance or break down on this support levels. ETH USDT, if you look at this very price action, market move straight to the upside on this very strong resistance right here, was a very strong rejection of the market to the downside after the formation of this very short channel on the ETH USDT price chart. So the market come back right down to this area, which is a support level right there. You see support here, you see support at this point, and also support on this level. So we can simply draw a horizontal line right here. This is a major support for the market, and this is a minor support right here within the chart. So right now, market could come back right down to this very level of support right here before it will potentially go back up. Now, what I am looking out for on ETH is a breakout on this trend line and on this horizontal resistance line at this point. So these two key levels is very, very important. Another thing on the bearish side, if markets break down on this very strong support level, then we could see the market come back right down. Two things I am looking out for on ETH USDT right now. I am monitoring these two levels on this very support line and this very resistance line. If the markets go back up, come back again, and at this level, markets could potentially touch here and then come back to this area in this formation. So what I am looking out for is a breakout on this horizontal resistance level and also a breakout on this horizontal support level on the ETH USDT price chart. So what is your thought? What are you expecting on BTC USDT and ETH USD? Please share with us in the comment below right now, and let's see what you are looking out for. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, and don't forget to leave a like for this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, and other cryptocurrency exchanges, check the link in the description below and get a bonus right now when you use my affiliate link. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.